Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to use Gling AI for video editing. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are on the fence of whether or not to use Gling AI. And so I've been using Gling AI for about a year now, and I must say it's definitely saved me so much time when it comes to editing videos. And if you're interested in trying Gling AI, you can check out the link down below in the description in order to sign up. Now, there are some things that you have to be aware about with Gling AI before you sign up. Now let's start off with the pros. First thing, with Gling AI, it makes it really easy to actually go ahead and remove all dead silences. So how this works is that you simply take a video and you drag and drop it here, and then you can either edit with AI or extract shorts. I normally just edit with AI and then click on next. Choose your video spoken language, click on continue. And then these are all the features that Gling AI offers. And over the past year, they've definitely expanded on their features. Like before, it used to just be cut silences, cut bad takes, and remove filler words. Now they've add smart captions, like and subscribe button, jump cut zooms, enhanced audio, and AI backgrounds. The features that I like using on all my videos is cut silences, cut bad takes, remove filler words, and then enhance audio. So these are the 4 features that I like, but you can play around with it. And even if you try it out yourself, I recommend that you start with these 4 first because they really do enhance my video. Next, you're just going to click on enhance and edit, and it's going to take like a few seconds or could take a couple minutes depending on how long your video is. So with Gling AI, I like to call it a transcript-based video editor. So what I mean by that is you basically have a video here. Well, this is not a good video because let me show you one that is here. I'm going to choose this one. You basically have a video here, and how it works is that you have your transcript on the left-hand side, and you can see the words here which have strike-throughs through them, and that means that that part has been deleted. So you can see it's grayed out, and you can click anywhere in the transcript and you can press the spacebar, and that's going to go ahead and play the video. And anywhere where their words are striked out, you can just highlight it and then click on uncut. You could also cut by section. So let's say that you want to remove this entire section. You can just cut that out. And you can also do pacing. So I use this a lot where I set my pacing to about anytime there's like more than 0.4 seconds of silence or more, and then it'll automatically remove all that dead space. So play around with it. You can move the play bar and you can see how it highlights the different words. But my way of editing nowadays and how it's been for the past year is that I always run my videos through Gling AI first to clean up all the mistakes. And I do listen to them. Okay, so I'll actually listen to the entire video file. And then once I clean up all the dead space, all the silences, all the ums, all the repeats, I then export it. And you can export it straight to Adobe Premiere, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, or CapCut. And then in those other video editing programs, that's where I'll add like the effects, I'll add the typography, I'll add the transitions, the music, etc. So Gling AI definitely helps save you so much time with its AI video editing. But that's essentially how I use it though. You're more than welcome to play around with the other features. And if you want to go ahead and give it a shot yourself, I do want to invite you to use my link down below in the description. And with that being said, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.